So this is lesson 5.2, example number 3, and at this point we've reached level B. And the reason these ones are more difficult is because if we look at it, my first equation is x minus y equals negative 11. My second equation is 7x plus 4y equals 0. If you look closely, you'll notice none of these equations are set up to do substitution right now. I should have a variable by itself that says x equals or y equals. So substitution becomes a little bit more challenging with this one. Now, what I want to do right here is make it so one of these equations is solved for one variable. That means one side of the equation is going to say either x equals something or y equals something. So I have four choices. I could solve for x in the red, y in the red, or I could solve for x in the blue or y in the blue. Now, any of those choices will work, but one of them is going to be a lot easier than the others. If I look at this red equation right here, to solve for x, all I would need to do is add y to both sides. So this will be a really simple, straightforward operation. If I just add y to both sides, this equation turns into x is equal to y minus 11. And now at this point, we've taken this level B equation and transformed it into a level A system of equations. So all I'm going to do right here is take y minus 11 and substitute it in right there. And then I'll proceed with this just like normal. 7x plus 4, and then I'll substitute in y minus 11 is equal to 0. We'll go ahead and solve that. 7x distributive property gives me 4y minus 44 is equal to 0. Combining like terms gives me 11y minus 44. And we'll just add 44. And get 11y is equal to 44. Dividing by 11 on both sides, we get y is equal to 4. Now at this point I want to go back and substitute it into one of the equations. So one of the easier ones would be to substitute it in right back here after I've transformed this equation. So that red equation would turn into x is equal to 4 minus 11. So x is equal to negative 7. Now again, for my solution, x goes first, negative 7, and then y goes second. Oops. Y is 4. Again, the place that I'm getting those, negative 7 is coming from right here, and positive 4 is coming from right here. And that is our level B system of equations.